Hi, my name is Daniel Schimberg. I'm a first year in Ezra Styles. I'm a math concentration, and this is the Spoon Game website. So, as you can see, you can register with a username, first name, last name, password, and you can choose whether you want to be a player or director. So, each page on this website, it might be a little different, but depending on whether you're a player or a director of the Spoon Game. So, I'm going to log in with my account. I'm a director. So once I log in, if I was a director, the first thing I would want to do is create a game. So when I create a game, I choose the title of the game and a code. I can also leave it blank and it'll generate a code for me. So once I create a game, let's say I just created Spoon Game 2020, it'll tell me the random code it generated, and I can send out the name of this game and the code to all the people I want to join. And then so once they've joined a game, I could maybe see them in this menu. So this game is called Fork, and all the people are these are the people who have joined, but you can see their targets are unassigned because we have to wait for everyone to join before we assign targets. So now let's say everybody has joined. The first thing, so once everybody has joined, we want to start the game by assigning targets. So we'll select the default option prime shift and we'll assign these targets. And now if we go back to my game and we select fork, we can see that everybody has been assigned targets. Finally, we can customize the rules. So if we look at the rules for fork, we already have, so you can customize the rules. So right here, we have safe zones. So different schools might have different rules for safe zones. So we can add a safe zone. Let's say we want to add the lab. So maybe you don't want people fooling around in the lab. We'll add that to fork. So now the lab should be a safe zone in the fork rules. So fork rules, and we see the lab here. We can also delete the lab. Let's see, it is a capital L, and we'll delete it from fork. And so we can delete it. If we check fork now, we should not see the lab as a safe zone. Great. And so we can also add temporary safe zones by adding a time. So additionally, you can see account information and log out. So let's say we log in as a player. Oops. It's very similar. The only difference is now instead of creating a game, you might join the game that was sent to you. You can see the games that you have joined. Let's see, Spoon, we didn't start, so there's no target, but Fork, we did start. It'll show Nate his target, which is Naomi. Finally, you can see the rules, but you cannot edit them. So we can see Fork, we don't have lab because we deleted it. And finally, you can see your account and log out. And with this, you can create a successful Spoon game. Thank you.